Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina and my channel is The Hopeful Minimalist. This channel is a safe space for everything handbag related. You probably ended up here because you're a handbag lover, so go ahead and make sure you're subscribed and you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos. In today's video, I have a double unboxing, which I'm very excited about. One item is a handbag strap. And I have some pretty high expectations of this strap. I am expecting that it will make my experience with at least one of my handbags so much better. This particular handbag came with a strap that I'm just not crazy about. It's not the most comfortable. I could go on and on. So I'm excited about that strap unboxing, but I also have one more unboxing, which consists of two pre-loved luxury items. I think that unboxing, coming off the heels of my last video, it's perfect timing for that. In that last video, which I will link below, I talked about buying pre-loved and the benefits of doing so. I focused mostly on cost and savings of buying pre-loved, but today I'll focus on one of those benefits being getting items that may be limited edition or just no longer are available. So if that interests you, please stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the first unboxing, which you might say this box is really big to have just a strap in it. Well, it has more than a strap in it, but I'm not ready to share everything that's in this box. So today we're going to unbox the handbag strap. If you did not recognize the box, it said Melody Cecile on the front, which is one of my favorite brands. It is also known as Dress Up Your Purse. I made a mistake. As soon as I opened the box, I knew that I had purchased the wrong thing. Although this is something that I will be able to use, this is not what I meant to order. I meant to purchase a strap a little bit bigger than this for one of my handbags, but since I have it, I'll go ahead and show it to you. This is a vachetta leather strap from Dress Up Your Purse, and this is like the smallest size as far as width is concerned. This is a really cute strap though. It's really dainty and skinny. And although I can think of some bags, like I said, that this will work perfectly with, I don't think it's going to work with the bag that I got it for. Let's just keep it moving because, like I said, I have some things that it will work with, and I'll definitely be keeping it for those. This is the bag that I ordered the strap for. This is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 20. So you can probably understand now why I'm saying this strap is too small, too dainty for this bag. The Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 is not a huge bag by any means. It's pretty petite. It's just, I think the style of it may make it too big for this strap, but we'll see. The reason why I bought the strap is because I'm not crazy about this strap. This is the original strap that comes with the Speedy 20. Honestly, I would appreciate it more if they would just include a vachetta strap that is conducive to the size of this bag and to the style of this bag. This bag is still very classy in my opinion. I don't consider it a sporty type bag. And this kind of strap to me is more appropriate for a sporty, casual kind of bag. In addition to that, this strap is not very comfortable to me. I think it's pretty stiff, and it could be that way because I don't use it a lot, but it's also made with some large, heavy hardware. This buckle in particular is really what I'm referring to. The buckle is huge, and it makes the strap heavy and to me uncomfortable. I really like the straps when they either are not adjustable or they are adjustable but they don't have the strap. They have the regular buckle style adjustment. So that was the reason for me buying this strap. I think it'll be a lot easier to use a bag like this with this type of strap as opposed to the thick, heavy strap I just showed you and the other strap that I had bought to replace it. I have attached it to the bag, and I'm sure you can kind of tell what I mean when I say I think it's a little bit small for this bag, even though this bag isn't huge. Okay, so this is how this bag looks with this strap. Leave me your feedback. Do you think it's absolutely too thin, too small? It feels fine, but of course the bag is empty right now, so I don't know. I don't think it looks bad. It might end up working. Let me know what you think. It may actually be a good fit. I can tell you this for sure. The bag is much more comfortable with this strap than it is with the canvas strap that the bag comes with. It just feels lighter. It feels like the bag can move around with my body more easily. I can say that this strap is doing what I wish the canvas strap would do. It's just more flexible. It moves more freely. With the bag, it's more lightweight. Of course, it goes perfectly because it's vachetta, and it will darken and patina to get closer to the color of the handles. I might be eating my words about this strap not working. We'll see. Let's move on to the other items. I will be sharing the items that I got from Dress Up Your Purse. Also, don't worry, it just won't happen in this video. The next unboxing will be the 2 Preloved luxury items that I picked up. These items came from a company called Love Lux. I stumbled upon them on Instagram somehow, and yeah, this is the inside of the box from Love Lux. I might be calling them the wrong name. I'll put it on the screen. These are the 2 luxury items that I got pre-loved. These are 2 items that I've always really liked a lot. They're from Louis Vuitton, and it's from a limited edition or a special collection that by the time I really started to like them, they were no longer available. One item is a charm and the other is a wallet. A wallet is something that I have not purchased in a long time. I think I'm well overdue for one. I'm not certain if the wallet is going to work with the bag that I just showed you guys. It may be too big, but I do have some other bags that I can use it with. So this is the wallet. Since we're kind of talking about benefits of buying pre-loved, I just want to mention that when I do buy pre-loved, I make sure to research the company that I'm purchasing from first, and then I get the items authenticated after that. So let's go ahead and open. This is the wallet. Isn't it so cute? And this is an item that was categorized as being in pristine condition, and it does look to be in pristine condition. The hardware is still really beautiful, shiny. I don't see any scratches on the hardware on the front. This actually has some plastic still on it. I think this is so gorgeous. The zipper looks beautiful. So does the hardware right here. So this is the zippy wallet, and it's the larger size. It has this really beautiful pink interior. I love, 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 love pink interior. It has a zipper compartment in there for change or for whatever you want to put in there. A little pocket in the middle, and then card slots with more pockets on both sides. There's a tag, and then this is, let's see, what is this? Oh, this is the Love Lux Authenticity card. So it's the Louis Vuitton Lovely Bird Owl Zippy. And that's what their card looks like. It has an item ID on it. And that's from their authentication. But like I said, I get my Preloved luxury items authenticated as well separately, just for my own peace of mind. I think this wallet is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the owl. I had also recently looked at a Felici pochette, I think from this same collection, and it just wasn't in as good condition as this is. So I'm glad that I saw this next and that I passed on the Felici. And I have one more item from the same collection. Any guesses on what this one could be? I wonder if these came from the same person. I'm not sure. So here's the second item in its little dust bag. And this is it. It is a charm from the same collection. So it's the cute little owl. That is adorable. And again, this one looks like it's in brand new condition. I don't see any scratches or damage on it. Look at that, that's so cute. And I have that card from Love Luxe. And let me see if there's anything else. No, this one did not come with any Louis Vuitton tags. These are my two Preloved luxury purchases, and I don't know if I mentioned that this is from a limited edition release from Louis Vuitton. So this is not something that would be currently on their website. Of course, Louis Vuitton can bring back anything that was limited edition if they decide to do so. I mean, who knows when they'll do that again. For example, the Murakami collection with the cherries and the multicolor bags, that took, what, 25 years or 20 years to come back around again. So who knows if they would ever do this collection again ever. I don't know. I hope that they would, but I don't know for sure that they will. So I'm glad that I found these two items in such perfect condition on the Preloved market. I'm very, very happy with these. They're perfectly as described. The last thing I want to do in this video is try them on the Speedy 20 that we were just looking at. So I obviously can't try the wallet on the Speedy. I meant try to see if it fits in the Speedy. I was not expecting this to fit in the Speedy 20. I don't think it will, but let's just see. Yeah, it's not a match for the Speedy 20 size-wise, but I know it will fit perfectly into my Speedy 25 and the 30. Just FYI, if you are looking at getting a wallet like this for a Speedy 20, it's not going to fit. The charm, however, I'm sure will be just fine. Let's see. The charm is a success on the Speedy 20. I love it. I think it is the cutest thing. The strap just might work. I will follow up on this and let you all know my experience with actually using it and carrying the bag with this strap, but I think it might work. I thought it was too small. And to that point, when I think about the Nano Speedy, I think the strap is even thicker on the Nano Speedy. So that's why I was like, this is too small, but I think it might work. I will have to put some things in it and carry it around, and I will let you know how it works out. Just for kicks, since I have this bag sitting right here as well, let's see if the wallet will fit into an Alma BB. It does fit inside of the Alma BB, but it's really too big. But I can still wear it in my Alma PM, so that's okay. You know, I've got to try the charm on the Alma, and I think it's really cute. So I guess we have a successful unboxing. I'm very happy with all of these items. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And remember that shopping Preloved has so many benefits when it comes to price, when it comes to accessibility of products that are no longer for sale or may have been discontinued. Leave me your thoughts below. I will see you next time.